In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter transactions in Gnucash in just 5 minutes. Navigating financial software like Gnucash can seem a bit intimidating at first, but once you understand the basics, it becomes a smooth and invaluable tool for managing your financial records. Let's start by launching Gnucash. Once you've opened the application, you'll need to select the account register for the account where the transaction took place. This step is crucial as it ensures that the transaction is recorded in the correct ledger. Next, move to the date field. It's important to accurately enter the date when the transaction occurred. You can do this manually by typing it in, but if you prefer, there's a small drop-down calendar you can use to select the date. Whichever method you choose, ensuring accuracy is key, as dates are fundamental for keeping an organized financial record. Moving along, in the num field, you'll want to enter a check number or any relevant transaction identification number if you have one. While you might not always have this information, it's beneficial to include it when possible as it serves as a reference for future records or audits. Now, direct your attention to the description field. This is where you'll type in the payee or a helpful detail about the transaction. A clear description provides context. Whether it's a payment to a vendor or a receipt from a customer, these details make it easier to understand your financial statements at a glance. The next step involves moving to the appropriate amount field. Here, you need to categorize your transaction correctly, whether it's a withdrawal, which increases the account balance, or a deposit, which decreases it. This distinction is crucial for maintaining accurate account balances. Following this, you must select the account to which the money is transferred. For instance, if you've withdrawn money from a checking account to purchase supplies, the corresponding transfer account would be the supplies expense account. Specifying the correct transfer account is essential for both accurate tracking and insightful financial analysis. Once all the details are in place, pressing the Enter key will finalize the transaction. This also conveniently moves you to the next row, making data entry a bit more seamless. Alternatively, the Tab key can be used to navigate to the following field if you need to adjust or add information without immediately finalizing the current transaction. Finally, to ensure all your effort is not in vain, you can click Save on the toolbar. This action securely records your transactions, safeguarding them against data loss. Regularly saving your entries is a good habit to develop, especially when you're entering multiple transactions at a time. So there you have it, a straightforward way to enter transactions in Gnucash, helping you maintain organized and efficient financial records.